Hi, my name is Stephanie Champney, and I am the director here at the Mary Wilcox Memorial Library in Whitney Point. Digital literacy is learning how to use computers and understanding how they work in terms of using them, not exactly like how a circuit board works, but also how to navigate into creating a Word document so you can send a letter, or creating an email address, or going online and trying to find information. For some people, it's as basic as I don't know how to turn a computer on, to I can get on a computer and I can open up a Word document, but I don't know how to format it or print it, or I need to get this information from online. I don't even know how to get online. So we gear it towards their needs. It's very flexible. We limit it to 3 people per session, because more than 3 people, and then I feel like I can't give enough individual attention that the people need. Well, we've decided to make them available to seniors. I do a little bit of digital literacy in my day-to-day work because we have the public computers, and sometimes people need help. But with the onset of COVID, so many things changed where they could actually go someplace and turn in paperwork, that now many organizations, everything is done digitally. There are a lot of people out there who don't know how to navigate that, and especially older people who didn't grow up having computers in school or use them in a job. So since I can't necessarily give people the attention they need when I'm working, since we are basically a one-person library, there's only one person here at a time, I talked with Megan, and we thought that it would be a good idea to offer this to seniors so that they're not as left behind as they were during the pandemic. It's necessarily because so much of our world has gone digital. There are a lot of things that prior to this you could mail the paperwork to an organization, say for HEAP or something like that. You could just mail it, or you could go down to Binghamton and turn it in. And there are a lot of people who don't know how to find that paperwork online, or how to submit it online, or don't have the transportation to get down into Binghamton to submit it. So they need help being able to access the services that they require. Well, since we partner with Northern Broome Cares, they do the registrations for each class, and then they let me know how many people I have and an idea of what people are needing. For some people, I bring one of the library Chromebooks over so we can work on things. Others bring their own computers. Sometimes it's their phone. So we meet at Northern Broome Cares. It's a place where they are comfortable because it's part of the seniors. It's inside the senior center, I should say, not part of the senior center. And it's also not when the library is open, so I can give my undivided attention to them. So Northern Broome Cares graciously gives us room in their office to work. Well, the director of Northern Broome Cares here in Whitney Point is Megan Arenas Cardoso, and the two of us are friends. But we're also very supportive of each other, and I'm on her advisory board. She is one of the library trustees. We are both on other advisory boards together because we care about the community. And so since she works directly with seniors, it was, to me, a no-brainer. I wanted to be able to help seniors. She works with seniors on a day-to-day basis. Why not combine the two? Well, one thing is you can get the word out. Let people know that we do offer this for anybody who's 60 years or older. If somebody would like to get help, all they need to do is call the Northern Broome Cares office. As I said, they take care of all the registration for me, and they'll let them know when the next classes are, and they'll sign them up, take some information from them so that I can be prepared, and simple as that. I sit down with them in front of a computer and I find out what their needs are. Are they looking to use Word or Excel or something like that because they need to send information out, or are they looking to get online? So I'll show them how to find the icons. Example, how to open Word. You have to move the cursor over the icon here and double click it, and then you can choose a document. From there, a lot of people understand how to type things in, but they may need help changing the font size or how to start a paragraph or things like that. The other thing that is frequently asked is, how do you get online? So we'll talk about what a browser is. A browser is the program that you use to navigate through the internet, and what the different icons look like. Now, I happen to be a Google Chrome person. It just works for me. So I show them what the different icons look like, how to open the program. And then once they're in here, I can show them how to Google something. Like here, we're in Google Chrome. Maybe they're looking for information on a topic, or they have to go to a specific website. So I'll show them how to do that and work their way through the process of getting the information they need. First of all, don't ever feel embarrassed if you don't know how to do something on a computer. Kids nowadays, they have grown up using computers. They have been using them since they were in kindergarten, so they get it. But even people who might have used one in a job, sometimes their skill set was so specific that there are other things that they may need to do now that they didn't learn during a job, or maybe they just haven't done it in a long enough time and things have changed enough that they need a little bit of help getting restarted. Eventually I would like to open it up to other people, but I'm one person and I do have, a limited amount of time between all of the other things that I participate in. So right now, seniors are my main focus. But maybe someday we can open that up to a larger base and get everybody comfortable with computers.